everyone, this is Miss Rogers. Sorry I couldn't be with y'all today. I'm in the process of driving to Kansas. We're going to do a Law of Conservation of Mass lab today, so everyone should have a paper in front of them. You notice that the problem is conservation of mass possible in the real world? Okay, so you see the blank, it says hypothesis. Your job is to write a hypothesis based on what the problem asked. Your materials, you're going to have a balloon. You're going to have 2 grams of baking soda, an Erlenmeyer flask, 30 milliliters of vinegar, and a graduated cylinder. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is determine the mass of the balloon, okay, like so. And then you're going to measure precisely 2 grams of baking soda, okay? So you'll take a little bit of sheet of paper, make sure it's 0, and put 2 grams as precisely as you can on the balance. Then you're going to measure 30 milliliters of vinegar, okay? So instead of using this whole jug to pour it into a small beaker and then put it in the graduated cylinder, 30 milliliters. Now remember, before you want to find the mass of just the vinegar, you want to take the mass of the graduated cylinder before you put the vinegar in, and then you can subtract the mass from there. Okay, and then once you have that, you're going to put the baking soda in the balloon and the vinegar, okay, and determine the mass of it. Then you're going to place the balloon on the Erlenmeyer flask just like so, and then you'll flip it, but make sure you don't tear it like I just did. And then flip the balloon over, watch the reaction, and then you're going to determine the mass of the entire substance of the reaction. Okay, so Louis, if you can zoom in on the results. So you're going to find the mass before the balloon, the baking soda, the Erlenmeyer flask, the vinegar, and the total mass of all this stuff, and then the total mass after. So notice these are X's. You shouldn't have anything on there. And then you're going to answer the analysis questions. Any questions? Email me, erogers@esc17.net. I will see y'all next week.